Have you been trying a lot of affirmations and maybe you are speaking it loudly to yourself or repeating statements throughout the day and still you are struggling to manifest those things? And sometimes you wonder whether those affirmations actually work, whether those tapes or those YouTube videos you're watching and hearing over and over again, do they actually work? I will explain all those things in this video, and this video will go deeper into why affirmations only work some of the times and a lot of times they give you mixed results or if any results at all. My name is Rohit and I've been studying about law of attraction manifestation for years now, and my goal with this channel is to really simplify manifesting so people can manifest a dream life, a dream health, perfect health, relationship, money, any kind of financial well-being they desire with the power of their imagination. So this is what I always refer to, one of the sayings which goes through the book At Your Command from Neville Goddard. I'm just going to read a few lines from the book, and this is what Neville says, right? This is what Neville says. Can a man decree a thing and have it come to pass? So can a man decree a thing and have it come to pass? And he said, most certainly, most decidedly, he can. Man has always decreed that which has appeared in his world and is today decreeing that which is appearing in his world and shall continue to do so as long as man is conscious of being a man. And then he says, this you may deny, but try as you will cannot disprove it, for this decreeing is based upon a changeless principle. And this is the changeless principle. You do not command things to appear by your words or loud affirmations. I'll repeat this key statement again, coming from Neville. You do not command things to appear by your words or loud affirmations. Such vain repetition is more often than not confirmation of the opposite. I'll repeat that again. It's a very important thing. That's why a lot of people really struggle with affirmations or they don't get the results, is you do not command things to appear by your own words or loud affirmations. Okay. Not by loud affirmations. Such vain repetition is more often than confirmation of the opposite. Decreeing, as he says, impressing the subconscious mind, is ever done in consciousness. That is, every man is conscious of being that which he has decreed himself to be. A very important thing. You can go really deep into this book, but what I really want to convey from this video is this very simple concept, is the first change has to always come from within your consciousness, within yourself. Okay, so if you go to that state and if you go to that place where you already are that person and you say it from that place, then your affirmations will work. For example, if you want to be healthy, in your imagination you are in that place where you are healthy, and maybe you're telling your friend in your imagination, or maybe you're just looking at yourself in the mirror, or maybe some event has happened and you're just confirming. You're looking at a test result or something and you're confirming, wow, I am healthy. I'm in great health. Wow, my body has healed. Is it amazing? You're reading a report and you're saying, maybe you're telling your friend, I feel amazing. I feel wonderful. I feel energetic. I feel great. Whatever. And your friend saying, wow, that's so cool to see, man. That's so cool to know. And that is the way you really impress your subconscious mind, by going within and thinking from it. Okay, thinking you are already there and thinking from it. Okay, let's say you look at a house. When a lot of people do affirmations, they visualize a house and they're always visualizing from outside the house. They're outside the house looking towards the house, looking at the house. But is that the correct way? No, that is not the correct way. The correct way is you are inside the house and your experience living in the house. You are in there, you're thinking from it, and that is how you get the results. That's why in many cases when people are doing affirmations, first thing, they're not relaxed. You need to be a bit relaxed before you do your affirmations. And second thing is they are coming from a place in their consciousness of lack. They're not in the place where they already have it. So when you're not in the place where you already have it, you are in a place where you don't have it. That is by default lack. And a lot of other, you could see a lot of other YouTubers talk about this concept of lack and abundance. And I really had a really hard time understanding it, because I was like, how can I be abundant when I don't have it? Right? How can I feel abundant when I don't have it? And you visualize yourself and you live it there. You live in your conscious in that place where this thing is an absolute reality. So you already have it. And once you already have it in your consciousness, you don't have any feelings of lack. You already have it. You already are abundant. Right? So it's a very simple concept to say people you are already abundant, but a very hard concept to implement and practice. Right? So for them to practice, the change has to come first in the consciousness. I'll read just few more lines from Neville, and it's amazing how he writes. I girded thee, though thou hast not known me. I girded thee, though thou hast not known me. I form the light and create darkness. I make peace and I create evil. I, the Lord, do all these things. Okay? So this is when Isaiah declared that I am the Lord and there is none else. There is no God beside me. So this is a personification, and what is conveyed through these lines is actually this. The awareness of being God is stated hundreds of times in the New Testament. To name a few: I am a shepherd, I am the door, I am the resurrection, I am the way, So what he's saying is the awareness of being is the door through which the manifestations of life pass into the world of form. Really important. So I'll repeat that again. Awareness of being is the door through which the manifestations of life pass into the world of form. So these are the key lines, and I'll read that out for you. Very key lines. Consciousness is the resurrecting power, resurrecting that which man is conscious of being. Man is ever outpicturing that which he is conscious of being. That is the truth. That makes man free. For man is always self-imprisoned or self-freed. How beautifully put. The truth that makes man free, for man is always self-imprisoned or self-freed. Is amazing. So the current circumstances you are in, most of it is an outpicturing of your consciousness. So when we are doing these affirmations, but in our consciousness, we are not in that place where those affirmations are true, and we are not living in the end, or we're not really coming from a place where we already have it, those affirmations will only confirm the contrary. So let's say you do not own a house, but in your imagination you visualize having the house, being inside the house, maybe cooking in the house, or just hanging out with your loved ones in the bedroom or in the living room, and you visualize it and it is done, right? And you're coming from that place where you already have it. You can feel it in your body. You can feel that sensation that I already have it. And then you do your affirmations. The affirmations are way more powerful, and they only confirm what is in your consciousness. And in many cases, you wouldn't even need affirmations once you've impressed your subconscious mind properly. And that's why I tell a lot of people actually manifesting is very straightforward, because it is about impressing the subconscious mind. And once you impress the subconscious mind properly, you can do affirmations if you want. You can write down things if you want. You can do other techniques like listening to audio tapes or whatever you want. But the first change has to come from within, from the consciousness, and then everything in your external world will shift, rearrange itself, mold into a place where it is true. So I hope you got really great value out of this video. Also share in the comment section below what you have learned from this video, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care, and I will see you then. I wish you great success on your manifesting journey.